Okay, tax season is here. And for all you small business owners in Ontario, these next few weeks, well, they're everything. Before you even think about filing those 2025 business taxes, we have to tackle one massive step, making sure your books are squeaky clean and ready to go. So let me just ask you straight up. Take a second and really think about it. Are your books truly ready for tax season? It's a question that might make you sweat a little bit, but hey, that's exactly why we're here. We're going to sort this out together. Because, let's be honest, the stakes are pretty high. If your books are a mess, you could end up paying way more in taxes than you actually owe. Or, worse, you could raise red flags that trigger a dreaded review from the CRA. And maybe the biggest risk of all, you just don't have a clue how your business really did last year. Okay, so let's dive right in. We're going to take all those pre-filing jitters and turn them into clear, confident action. Think of this checklist as your roadmap from uh-oh to I got this. And this isn't just about being neat and tidy. We are talking about thousands of dollars. Seriously, thousands in potential deductions that you could miss all because one little transaction wasn't recorded right. That is real money you could be leaving on the table. So where do we even begin? Step one, and you absolutely cannot skip this part, is reconciling your accounts. This is the foundation. Everything else we do is built right on top of this. Now, what on earth is reconciliation? Put simply, it's you playing detective. It's the process of making sure the story your bank and credit card statements tell perfectly matches the story inside your accounting books. You're just confirming every single transaction is accounted for right up to that final number on December 31st. So here's your action plan. First, pull up your December bank statement and put it right next to your accounting software. Do the numbers match? Then, be on the lookout for transactions in early January that actually belong in 2025. Next, you gotta hunt down those sneaky duplicate entries. It happens. Don't forget to record the little things like bank fees or interest payments. And finally, take a look at any outstanding checks you've written that haven't actually been cashed yet. And here is a huge pro tip. If your numbers don't quite line up, whatever you do, do not just plug in a balancing entry to make it work. The whole point isn't just to make the numbers match. It's to find out why they don't. That little mystery difference, that's a clue. It's often hiding a missed expense you could claim. Once everything is reconciled and balanced, you can finally see the complete story of your business in 2025. And it really has two sides. On one side, you have every dollar you earned, that's your accounts receivable. And on the other, you have a perfect record of every dollar you spent, your accounts payable. Okay, with that solid foundation in place, let's move on to step two. It's time to review the money that is owed to you. This is all about managing your accounts receivable to make sure every cent you earned in 2025 is on the books, whether the cash is in your hand yet or not. Your checklist here is pretty straightforward. First, pull up your age receivables report. This tells you exactly who still owes you money from last year. Now, if there's an invoice you know you're never going to collect, you might be able to write it off as a bad debt expense. And this one's critical. Make absolutely sure every single job you finished in December has an invoice to go with it. Now, for the other side of the coin, and honestly, this is where you can find some amazing tax deductions. Step 3 is all about accounting for every single bill you owe. It's time to manage your accounts payable. Think of this as your final sweep for expenses. Scour your inbox and your mailbox for any December invoices that showed up late. Then, go through your credit card statements line by line. This is an absolute goldmine for finding forgotten business expenses. And finally, just double check that all your recurring costs, like software subscriptions, are recorded for the 2025 year. And that brings us to the payoff. You see, by going through this checklist, you move from having a pile of receipts and a sense of anxiety to a place of complete control and clarity. It's a total game changer. So what do you get for all this hard work? An accurate tax bill, which means you're not overpaying. You get the peace of mind that comes from knowing your risk of an audit is way lower. And maybe most importantly, you get a crystal clear picture of how your business is actually doing, which gives you the confidence to make way smarter decisions this year. So, as you finalize everything for your taxes, I want you to ask yourself this. Your business had a financial story in 2025. Are you telling that story correctly?